do you feel like you have no control over your life? Maybe you were like me and thought it was just impossible to change your life. This is just how life is. So you didn't even bother looking for other opportunities. For many years, I was trapped by this thought. I would spend 9 years of my life working a 9 to 5 job, 70 hours a week, feeling like I had no control over any situation. Someone could just walk up to me and tell me what to do, and I would have to do exactly what they asked of me. I would be forced to wake up at the same time, get dressed in the same clothes, drive through the same traffic, to get to the same job that made me feel like I had no control in the first place. And why do so many of us put ourselves through that? And then only after our ruined relationships, after our kids grow old and move out of the house, after all the regrets we have about not spending enough time doing the things we love, then we realize that it's too late. Starting an online business gave me all the freedom I needed. I honestly thought I would fail. I came up with excuses like, how could I be good enough? I'm not smart enough. And my favorite one, what would people think of me if a nobody like myself tried to start an online business? For me, it was about getting into the driver's seat and taking control of my life again. And I found a community and many mentors that helped me do that by showing me that I could build an online business step by step and from scratch to take control of my life again. I could educate myself and use this powerful tool called the internet to automate selling products online 24/7, 365 days a year to a global market. So I learned the skills, and slowly but surely I started to take my life back, spending my time with the people I love and doing the things that I love. I finally gave myself permission to be better. And now I'm at a point in my journey where I want to give back because of all the help I received to take my first steps. But where would you even start? Well, I'm going to send you a free workshop video series because I was lucky enough to receive it for free from my mentors when I first got started online. That video series was the single thing that changed my life around. When I realized the opportunities online, I just needed to learn the skills. So those free videos I'm about to send to you are priceless for me because of how much it impacted my life. If any of this resonates with you, then click the button on screen or below the video. Enter your contact details on my website so I can send you that video series. And you never know, you watching that free video series could be the best decision you ever make, like it was for me. I hope to hear from you soon. Take care.